So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install Anaconda. Later, we will installing Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So we'll first download Anaconda, open your default browser and search for anaconda.com. Later, click free download. Scroll down and click skip registration. Scroll down, click the download button and wait for your file to get downloaded. So the download is complete. Right click and click open so that we can begin the installation process. Can minimize here. So click yes, click next. So the license agreement, click I agree. So installation type, click all users and click next. So click yes for the app to make changes to your device. So the following location is where the installed files will be located. I leave mine in default, but if you want to change your location, click on the browse button and click next. So advanced installation options, click or also check to clear the package cache upon completion and click install. So we've successfully installed Anaconda in our system. Click next. Click next. And upon completion, so click finish. So after successfully installing Anaconda, so let's install Jupyter. Come to the search bar and type Anaconda and click Anaconda Navigator. So it's initializing. So we are in our Anaconda Navigator interface. So first search for the Jupyter Notebook. Scroll down. Here it is, Jupyter. So first you need to install. I'd already installed it. You'll first install, then later click the launch button. You can launch the button. And we've successfully opened our Jupyter Notebook. So you can create my first project in my desktop. So click desktop. Click new and click the Python 3. So I can first type a program for Python using the print method. So print quotes. So whatever will be written here will be printed out. Thanks for watching. And click the run icon or play icon. See, our text has been printed out. So that's how to download and install Anaconda as well as Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Mepro Education.